Hey guys, welcome to the Amrita's channel. So today I will tell you about Indian Economic Services and its syllabus. Basically, there are six papers: general studies, general English, and there are main four papers, that are paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, and paper 4. This is for general economics. All three papers are of general economics and contains different subjects of economics. Okay, I will tell you later on in this video. The fourth paper is of Indian economy. Let's start with paper 1. Paper 1 is of general economics, in which we have to prepare for microeconomics, MME, that is mathematical methods in economics, statistics, and econometrics or ecotrics. So for microeconomics you can consider Nicholson and Snyder, or your graduation notes are enough. And for mathematical methods in economics, your graduation notes are enough. And for statistics and econometrics too. And for some topics you can follow internet. Okay, now we come to paper 2. In paper 2 we have macroeconomics. Graduation notes are enough, and for some topics um, you can follow internet or YouTube. There are many videos: financial and capital market. So for paper 3 we have four subjects: environmental economics, planning, public finance, and industrial economics. For environmental economics you can consider your graduation notes. So guys, यहाँ पे सबसे अच्छी बात यही है कि आप लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने ग्रेजुएशन नोट्स का यूज़ कर सकते हो. आपको कहीं से और मटेरियल लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि दे आर वेरी गुड. Planning, we have concept and types of planning, rationale of planning in a developing economy, limitations of planning, and economics of regulation and decentralized planning. There are only very few topics. You can just Google it and you can make a good note of it. And you can do the same for industrial economics too. There are not much topics on it. For public finance you can consider Musgrave and Musgrave book or your graduation notes again. So here comes the most important part of this services, and for this exam, is paper 4, Indian economy. For this you can first start with 11th NCERT, right? वहाँ पे आपको सब बेसिक्स मिलेगा, और उसके बाद आप उमा कपिला प्रेफर कर सकते हो कुछ टॉपिक्स के लिए, लाइक एग्रीकल्चर हो गया, एंड फॉर एम्प्लॉयमेंट सेक्टर्स और सर्विसेज. उसके बाद आप ग्रेजुएशन नोट्स भी देख सकते. फिर अगर मैं बात करूँ जनरल स्टडीज़ की, तो हमारे पास मेन 4 टॉपिक्स होते हैं, दैट इज़ पॉलिटी, ज्योग्राफी, हिस्ट्री, इकोनॉमी. इकोनॉमी तो हमने ऑलरेडी इन सारे पेपर्स में प्रिपेयर कर चुके हैं. हमें एक्स्ट्रा कुछ इसमें एफर्ट्स डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो ये आपका ऑलरेडी साथ साथ प्रिपेयर हो चुका है. नाउ वी हैव पॉलिटी, ज्योग्राफी एंड हिस्ट्री. सो you can also study these basic books, like for polity Lakshmikant, and but according to me you all will get messed up, because the syllabus is very diverse. So I will suggest you that you start with 11th and 12th NCERT for these three subjects. Fine. Next we have English. In English we have essay writing, precise writing, paragraph writing, words and phrases, correct and incorrect sentences. You can do this by watching YouTube videos or internet content, and may practice essay writing at your home. If you guys will suggest me, I will give a link to you for one video for essay writing, so that it will help you. Now we have other materials from which this service asks many questions. Read Hindu newspaper for current affairs, it's mandatory. Economic survey for last 2 years and union budget for last 2 years. Many questions have been asked. RBI annual report is must, RBI financial stability report, and RBI monetary policy report. So this is the basic overlook of papers. You guys will have to prepare to appear in this examination. And if you need more help and more detailed my notes and any information, you can just tell me in comments and I will surely upload a video for you guys. Thank you for watching my video.